do you think it might be?
I think it's a cow.
Do you think it might be a cow? A tiger? Do you know what you think it might be?
I think it's a unicorn.
You think it's a cat? Jacob? A hound dog? Right, Thomas, what do you think it might be?
It's a cow.
You think it might be a cow? Oliver, what do you think it is? A dog? A horse? Henson? You said you thought it was a dog, didn't you? Or a pig?
Yeah.
And you said a giraffe. If you're not already